What's up, guys? Jonathan Rose, owner, Masters in Trading. So our new unusual options activity tool is finally ready to share. Another example of the power of unusual options activity. Let's look at Tortoise Acquisition Corp, SHLL, SHLL. Here's all the unusual options activity that our new tool picked up. First, we got back July 2nd, July 6th, a nice cluster of unusual options activity. Then there was a massive move, and look at all the unusual options activity around that August 26th, August 31st date. And now, again, just recently, today is SEP 22. We're seeing SEP 11, SEP 15, SEP 18, and SEP 21. So again, this name's in play. Sure looks like it's coiling up as well, getting ready to move. But let's dig deeper into the unusual options activity tool and see what we can find about SHLL. Now, this scanner is going to be different than other unusual options activity scanners because you do not need to find where the unusual options activity is. With this scanner, all the results that pop up, there is unusual options activity in those stocks or in those strikes. MIT, unusual options activity, if we look at the overvalued section, and if we just look this month, if we look this month, we have 188 results. That's quite a few results. Let's look at just the past 7 days. Past 7 days, looking at 16,590 different names, or strikes, excuse me, we have 29 results. The name that kept popping up for us is SHLL, SHLL, SHLL. So if we only look for SHLL, we'll see lately September 18th, September 21st. These are our proprietary scans. It looks like it caught 2 of our proprietary scans. Now, what does that mean? Well, if we go all year looking at SHLL in this overvalued section, it's only picked up 2 orders. So it's not like throughout the year it's seen a ton of unusual option activity and it picks them all up. It hasn't. What's going on right now is different. What's going on right now is special. If we explore some of the other categories, the volume category has picked up 10 results for the entire year. But again, those results happened August 11th to August 26th. August 11th is way, way down here. August 11th, all that unusual options activity kept happening until the 26th. The stock down here was at 20, it traded up to almost 60. Even at 37, it traded up to 58. So where there's smoke, there's fire. That's something that we like to say. So all these Augusts, it was an optimal time to get long SHLL or even to get long a straddle because there was an increase in volatility. Well, in September, we're starting to see the same type of behavior, but then again, in this overvalued category, past 7 days, SHLL is rising to the top. What does that mean going forward? People do these orders for a reason, guys. Go back to the chart. I would think SHLL is going to move. Is it going to go higher or lower? I don't know. My gut tells me it's going to go higher, but the trade is you could expect SHLL to move. Let's watch it. Let's see what it does. My name is Jonathan Rose. I'm the owner of Masters in Trading.